Hello guys, and welcome to this SEO training video. Today I'll show you that we are offering an SEO keyword analytics for free to all our Typli users. So other than the basic SEO checker here that helps you to make sure that your content is 100% optimized and ready to be published on your blog. So we have added another tab, which is the keyword analytics. So this tab will give you more insights and more details about the estimated traffic. So type your main keyword again here and click on this loop. Here we go. So for example, for this keyword, which is paddle, so you can expect 550,000 monthly research, the average cost per click. So if you are interested later on to run any PPC campaign, so this is what you need to be expecting in order to maybe to compete in PPC. And of course, this is a very competitive keyword, so you need to take this in consideration if this is your main keyword. And here you will see that we are providing maybe an history of the trend. So maybe if you are selling something or you are interested to sell something in the future, so you should be maybe creating content that is having like an increasing trend. So if you see that the keyword is like getting less traffic, maybe it will not worth it. This is the first thing. The second thing is maybe you will have an idea where what is the most popular month for keyword. For example, if you are selling something related to swimming pools, etc., so of course the most research or search will be during the summer. So for example, for paddle, so the initial starting estimation for November last year is 368,000. So right now 450,000. So of course there is an increase, and we can see that during August, June, July, maybe during the summer, it was like the peak of the search. So it will give you some insights in order to plan and update your content accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.